Greetings WordPress users, welcome to the Gravity Forms Black Friday sale, 50% off starting on November 23rd to December 1st. Gravity Form is a premium form builder for WordPress. Here are the prices. With the Black Friday sale, 50% off, you pay $29 for the basic version and $129 for the best value elite version, which allows you to use Gravity Forms on unlimited websites. Let's check out some of the features. This is a very highly advanced form builder with drag and drop features and save and continue for users when they submit a multi-paginated forms, and it is also responsive to mobile or desktop views, have advanced conditional logic, highly customizable. So let's check out some demos. Here is a list of all the demos that you can try it out for yourself. The link to the Black Friday deal, and you can also access the demo. Link is down below. So let's check out an advanced contact form. So here the visitor can submit this form with all of these fields and a CAPTCHA. This CAPTCHA feature to prevent spammers. And now we have a request a quote form. And you can even do e-commerce forms for visitors or buyers to select options, and they can also make payments with multi-page or multi-form access. Gravity Forms is a user-friendly form builder for WordPress and also for highly advanced users, and even have enterprise features. Thanks for checking out this deal. Subscribe for more upcoming Webmaster Black Friday deals. Thanks again for viewing.